Hello and welcome back to the world of Roblox Flood Escape. Oh my gosh, I did not mean to do that. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, go ahead and type in hello and do the routine. Nobody's gonna type in hello. If they do, I'd be shutter shocked. I'm gonna go ahead and go in easy, and just to go ahead and guide these noobs. Thin glass, filtering system. Temporary solution is no access. Well, no. A lot of people fail at no access, but I'm just gonna go ahead and see with easy. Of course, we have some I fell in love with an emo girl type people in this. So yeah, it looks like one of them's gonna die. We already have Josh here at the end. How much wins? JoJo. So they have 5 wins. Bro, that jit. Alright, he's getting it. Go back. Go back. No. No, JoJo, what are you doing? The button literally just popped up there, you dumb. You Dumbledore. Now you're both gonna die. Actually, you do have a trick, because you have dash, right? 5 wins. Nope. He's just trash. I'm sorry, bro. You're just trash. El Bozo. This dude is white as hell. Are these people on a date or something, bruh? Cut my life into pieces. Aw, people, bruh. Like, us. If they fail at dead glass, I'm literally gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad for them. I didn't get my flood sword. Oh no. And now I have to wait for these people. I'd rather wait on top of the vent. You know what I'm talking about. Actually, clipping through into filtering systems is probably not the best idea because most of the time you get stuck in this area. Looks like they made it. Did their boyfriend? Nope. They're probably gonna go commit suicide. Suicidal. Anyways. Let's go ahead and get this filtering system done. But is this person gonna go? You taking your sweet time, bruh. Ain't nobody else finna come back alive, bruh. Just commit suicide like the emo person you are, bruh. Nah, is that bullying? It's not bullying if they don't know what I'm saying. Yeah, as simple as that. Bird, can you just come in? Okay, they just left. Just because your boyfriend got embarrassed does not mean you have to do all that extra. Noob has how much wins? 0. So he's probably going to get his first. This game is very sight readable. I mean, this like map. A lot of maps are not sight readable because they were made back in the day. A lot of these maps are actually remakes in just a 2016 style of how to do it. You know what, bro? I'm just gonna go for it. How did he die? Nah, bro, he probably reset. You know what, bro? I'm just gonna go on dash. Hold up, can I make that? Fuck it. Nah, I died. But we do have our flood sword now, so we should be good. Thin glass, beams, freaking no access. Let's just be mean. Let's just leave it up to fate. Obviously, I'm gonna finish before all these bozos, and I'm gonna just leave them stuck. No, I'm joking. Don't ever do that, guys. If you ever get a flood sword game pass, don't ever. I forgot my auto clicker. It's okay. I can probably set up my auto clicker and clip before they get here. Oh, we're going into beams, so. My question is, how do you die on one as simple as this? Let's go. So I'm the last person left. I'm not gonna make that mistake again. Okay, but what if I use dash? Okay. Pretty easy, if I do say so myself. Shouldn't have used my dash there, because now I can't laugh clip. Or can I? Let's try it. Yep, no, I can't. Okay. Well, like an elbozo, looks like we're doing code. Set spawn to winners, reset. It's easy, bro. Too easy. $6,000. Let's do the long ones next time, like plumbing, warehouse 2, and cooling mess up. That we can just easily cheese with like tricks. Don't use my dash. Actually, if I used my dash, it probably would have been better than the end of the level. Oh dang. Now I have to go the long way like an elbozo. It's just fun to like go to the end, and then once you're done you can just spectate. No, let's spectate. I literally only got one of the buttons. They're probably wondering, like, what the heck? One of you has to figure it out. Okay, one of them figured it out. Why? Do you want to just... Dude, you have to go on the other lap. Okay. Okay, simple enough. Okay, just jump. Just jump, bro. Yes, okay. Just kill yourself. No, don't do that, but just jump, and then jump, and then jump, and then jump, and then jump. How did you die on that part? Okay. Well, is Slayer in here? Soldier is Emma. Is Koble? Koble is Snackfather. So this dude has 19 wins. Oh, he knows that shortcut. Okay, yeah. W. Pretty much if you know how to use dash, you're better than like Bro. That's a W friend, helping people out like that instead of just going to the end for yourself. W friend Kobai. Everybody comment W Kobai in the comment section down below. And this episode is getting pretty long. So yeah. There you go. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace.